and he loves to say stuff. Say something, Cole, please. And this is my brother Marshall. That's his face. That's him. Over there's going to be my cat, right? There's Gibbs. There. That's my mom's room. That's my sister's. She's at college. Over here, just stuff. And stuff. And right there, brother, what again? Mike's little owl. And I'm trying to find my cat, Abby. Is she here? Nope, that's her favorite spot. There she is. See her? That was her. Now, I want to see what his name is again. Who can remember his name? Ah, yes, Colt. And what else is over here? Our TV. It's a little blurry today. Right there. It's our backyard. And over there, my mom's room again, the front door. That's the kitchen. That's all my school stuff. I'm going to be a bird. And this is my brother Marshall. He's 3. I'm 7. And this is my brother Cole again, and he's 5 months. He's going to be first kindergarten. He needs a little learn too, but he's fine. Okay, and I need more meat. And I take karate, and that's the end of our story.